Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the pictures in your frames here. So get close to it and then you're just going to press this button. You can use images you've drawn as well, but you can also use photos that you've taken. I think I'm gonna do one with my friends because I think these ones are super cute. I don't know which one though. I have not decided. This one's cute. It's a little bit off to the side. But this one is too. I think I like this one. This one's super cute. And I'm just going to press save. Changing photo consumes 1 star. But if the frame is still new, you don't need the stars to change it. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, if you want to buy photo frames, it's in Kaching's store. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.